Good morning, class. This is the continuation of our unit number 6. Here we'll be discussing how this e-commerce firms are managing their reverse logistics. Okay. So we have already discussed that with the growth of the e-commerce industry, the return rate has also been increased. So the whole of the e-commerce industry is experiencing exponential growth in the recent years, and this has led to the increase in the online shopping, and as a result has led to increase in the return rate as well. Okay, we have discussed the various reasons why the returns are so high. There are high return rate because uh, the online shopping is so easy. Okay, because of the online shopping convenience, because the customer is not able to touch the product, inability to physically inspect the item before purchase, and because of the customer friendly return policies. The return process is so easy that the return rate has increased with this e-commerce. Okay, so now the second challenge, one is that there is high return rate. The next is diverse product categories. These e-commerce company, you can just imagine how wide range of products they are selling, right from the electronics to the apparel to the home goods, perishable items, everything they are selling. So managing these wide range of products is a bit difficult, and thus it requires specialized handling processes and facilities. Also, the customer expectations for free return. The customer also is expecting that the return should be free, and they should not be charged for anything for returning the product. And because of these policies, the lenient policies, you can say, these e-commerce companies, they are facing huge costs, because reverse logistic, it also requires the planning we have discussed. It also requires the implementation. It requires the analytics. It requires the transportation. It requires a proper management. Otherwise, the company may face a huge loss. Okay, so uh, the e-commerce are facing these challenges, that they have to bear the cost because the customer is expecting the free return. Okay, so let's see how they are managing. Okay, so in order to address these challenges, these companies, they are using some data analytics. We have discussed that there is something called as predictive data analytics, where they with the help of the historical data and all, and the analysis, the forecasting is done. Okay, so here in the reverse logistic, what they are forecasting or what they are predicting is the volume that they have to that may be returned. So they are using the historical data to forecast the return volume by product category, the season, and the geographic region, and thus helping them to be proactively ready for the mm, ready with the plan, ready with the resource allocation, and ready with the logistic also. Okay, तो क्या हो रहा है कि ये प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिटिक्स का यूज करके दे आर यूजिंग द हिस्टोरिकल डेटा, और हिस्टोरिकल डेटा से वो निकाल रहे हैं कि किस प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी में सबसे ज्यादा रिटर्न आ रहा है, या किस सीजन में सबसे, या किस ज्योग्राफिक रीजन में सबसे ज्यादा रिटर्न आ रहा है. So they maintain all these data, and on the basis of data, when they are analyzing, they are able to predict in advance and get themselves ready for this reverse logistic. Okay, next is optimized return processes, means they have to identify the bottleneck and inefficiencies in the return management processes. मतलब कहाँ return management processes में कहाँ पर सुधार हो सकता है, कहाँ गलती हो रही है, कहाँ पर processing delay हो रहा है, कहाँ product damage हो रहा है, इसकी वजह से return हो रहा है, and accordingly they can implement solutions to streamline the operation and improve the customer satisfaction. मतलब किस वजह से, what is the reason they are trying to identify through the data analytics, and they are trying to fix those problems. Okay, Next is they are trying to utilize the customer feedback and customer data to personalize the return experiences, such as offering the tailored return option, है ना, proactive communication and targeted promotions to incentivize the repurchase, है ना. तो जो refurbished product है उसको भी sell करने के लिए they are trying to like gain the loyalty of the customer. Okay, so they are trying to give options to the customer for the tailor made return option कि आप फ्लिपकार्ट वगैरह में भी देखोगे कि you get the option कि at what time you want to return. Okay, at what time you want your order to be picked up. Okay, so these are the tailor made options that help these companies gain the loyalty. Okay, so these are the data driven solutions that they are using, which the traditional companies were not using, and thus they mm, like thus they are lagging behind these e-commerce companies in uh, context of the reverse logistic. Okay, so here I have taken the case study of the Zappos. So it is Zappos. It is an online retail. It specializing in footwear and apparel. It is selling footwear and apparel. मतलब fashion product बेचता है, ठीक है? तो it is also facing a high return and is not able to manage these reverse logistic. So this company, see, this Zappos is also using the predictive analytics, है ना? It is also using dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing का मतलब क्या है कि it is using pricing algorithms, है ना, to dynamically adjust the refund amount based on the condition of returned item, allowing the company to recover value from the, मतलब जो आप रिटर्न कर रहे हो, अगर दे आर यूजिंग डायनेमिक प्राइसिंग, मतलब वो बहुत सारे मैथमेटिकल एल्गोरिदम टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स यूज कर रहा है जिसमें वो कस्टमर्स को व्हेन द कस्टमर रिटर्न्स द गुड्स दे गिव देम सम ऑप्शंस, a better option to go for, so that the so that the product may not be returned, and thus they can minimize the loss. Okay, and also they are, what they are doing is they are segmenting the customer. Segmenting the customer means they, on the basis of the return behavior, preferences, the lifetime value and all these, they are personalizing, they are providing some personalized return experiences and tailor promotions to different customer segments. Okay, and thus this Zappos is able to manage its return reverse logistic. Okay, I've also taken the case study of the Flipkart, how the Flipkart is able to manage the data driven return. Okay, with the help of the data driven, how they are able to manage the reverse logistic. Okay, so the first thing is the Flipkart is doing is collect using this machine learning algorithm to collect the historical data, to collect the customer feedback. They are using predictive model. They are using customer engagement, means they are using some user friendly return portals. The window is so easy to return. They are using automated return request streamline. Okay, they are also using automated reverse logistic, means as soon as you return the product, the order for as soon as you book the order for the return, the goods will be picked up and your refund will be given within 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so this is very easy. Then they are giving the option for restocked and refurbished also. Okay, then the vendor management means vendors are notified promptly. They are also they have also partnered with the local logistics, and okay, and also the product refurbishment option is there. Okay, so this way the Flipkart is able to manage its reverse logistic and reduce the cost, improve accuracy and enhance the customer satisfaction. Okay, so this is us for the video. I hope you have understood. If there is any issue with any of the topic that we have discussed, you can just write in the comment box. I'll be providing you with the answer. Thank you so much. Bye bye.